Did you miss me?
Are you excited, Taylor?
Yeah. Safety first. It's an athletic day today. That was a wet character building session. What do you think, Jared?
I agree. I almost blew it a little too hard, too fast, but we made it.
Nice
Interesting. Yeah. What do you think, Tay?
They don't really fit my helmet.
It wasn't raining hard enough. I like it. Let's do it again.
Exclusive interview with Jared Shumate. Tell me, how was your day, Jared?
Pretty wet, but pretty good.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Can you tell me anything more?
We did some intervals.
Now I'm gonna run home safely Very safe. in case there are cars
Yes.
or Russians.
Yes.
That boy.
That boy.
Yeah. Fart links.
Pick up your trash, people.
There you go, guys.
I got to touch the tips, I guess.
Fast forward.
Oh, shit. I feel like if it's already hot, 1 second in, you're screwed.
I should start taking my clothes off now.
How we doing, Steve? Nothing burning yet? Oh, you can't even yourself.
It's actually not that bad.
Just party.
Yeah, dude, it reeked. Oh, he's about to throw up for sure.
It's hot. I give me that hang up. Yeah, I guess you choose, so. Bitch.
Grant, did this come from under the stove?
Why did you play for it?
Bummer, dude.